Every circuit breaker depends on two metals, copper for conducting normal current and silver alloy for the contacts that must repeatedly interrupt fault currents without welding together.
Lines. The breaker housing must withstand sustained high temperatures from overloaded circuits, contain explosive arc energy during fault interruptions.
The bimetallic strip is the breaker's thermal brain. Two metals bonded together expand at different rates when heated.
Trip springs must store enough energy to accelerate the contacts apart at extreme speed during a short circuit. Opening time is measured in milliseconds.
Arc chute plates divide the fault arc into multiple smaller arcs, dramatically increasing the total arc voltage and enabling rapid extinction of the dangerous.
The magnetic trip coil responds to massive fault currents in less than 10 milliseconds, far faster than a human could react to an electrical emergency. Silver alloy contacts must conduct thousands of amperes during normal operation, but also survive the explosive violence of interrupting a dead short circuit. Material quality directly determines breaker performance. Out-of-specification contact material could weld during fault interruption, leaving the circuit unprotected. Contact manufacturing produces millions of precisely formed silver alloy tips that must survive thousands of switching operations and dozens of fault interruptions. Brazing creates a metallurgical bond between the silver contact and its copper carrier that will never separate, even under the extreme forces of repeated fault interruption. Roll bonding fuses the high-action and low-expansion metals into a single composite strip. The bonding must be perfect. Bimetallic calibration determines the exact current at which the breaker will trip. Each element is individually formed to match its rated current specification. Arc chutes contain multiple parallel plates that split the fault arc into many shorter arcs, cooling and extinguishing the discharge that would otherwise sustain itself. The operating mechanism is a precision kinematic assembly. Lever ratios and latch geometry determine contact force, opening speed, and trip threshold. The trip-free mechanism prevents the user from holding the breaker closed during a fault condition. The mechanism trips and opens the contacts regardless of handle position. Housing molding uses glass fiber reinforced thermoset plastic that withstands the extreme temperatures and pressures generated when a breaker interrupts a severe short circuit. The breaker housing contains over 50 distinct internal features molded into a single part: contact chambers, arc chute slots, The housing plastic must withstand more than 2,000 volts per millimeter without breakdown, ensuring safe electrical isolation between live and accessible parts. Arc chamber geometry is designed using computational arc modeling. The shape and spacing of the plate slots determine how efficiently the fault arc is cooled and extinguished. Molded-in markings are permanent and tamper-proof. The breaker's rating, certification marks, and safety warnings cannot be removed or altered after manufacturing, being the Stivods. Injection molds cost hundreds of thousands of dollars and must produce millions of parts to identical specifications. Final assembly brings together over 50 individual components into a single compact device that protects electrical circuits from overload and short circuit for decades. Contact force must be precisely controlled. Too little force causes overheating from high contact resistance. Too much force prevents reliable opening during fault interruption. Mechanism installation requires exact positioning. Every pivot point and latch surface must align within hundredths of a millimeter for reliable trip operation. Thermal calibration is the most critical assembly step. The calibration screw adjusts the bimetallic element trip point to match the exact rated current specification. The arc chute must be properly positioned to capture the fault arc immediately as the contacts separate. Misaligned plates would allow the arc to sustain itself. Terminal quality determines the reliability of the field connections. Every terminal must provide secure, low-resistance clamping of the customer's wire conductors. The handle position clearly communicates the breaker state to the user. The distinctive middle tripped position alerts the user that a fault has been detected and interrupted. DIN rail mounting enables tool-free installation in standard distribution boards worldwide, reducing installation time from minutes to seconds. Every circuit breaker is individually tested. At production rates of thousands per day, the automated test systems must Thermal calibration adjusts each breaker to trip at exactly its rated current. A 15-amp breaker must trip within the time. Magnetic trip testing verifies the breaker responds to short circuit current within 10 milliseconds. This fast trip prevents the massive fault energy from damaging the protected circuit. After interrupting a full short circuit, the contacts must remain functional. They show arc erosion marks but must not be welded together or mechanically damaged. Dielectric testing proves the breaker's insulation integrity. Voltage twice the rated level plus 1000 volts is applied for 1 full minute without breakdown. Endurance testing cycles the breaker thousands of times at rated current, simulating years of normal switching operation to verify mechanical reliability.
Every test result is electronically recorded and linked to the breaker's serial number, providing lifetime traceability of manufacturing quality.
Test equipment accuracy determines product quality. Regular calibration against traceable national standards ensures every breaker test produces reliable results. Type testing subjects representative samples to the complete range of tests specified by international standards, qualifying the design for production and sale. Temperature rise testing verifies that no part of the breaker exceeds its material temperature limit during continuous rated current operation. Salt spray testing simulates years of exposure to corrosive environments, verifying the breaker's plating and finish maintain protection throughout the product lifetime. Contact resistance must remain low throughout the breaker's operational life. Rising resistance indicates contact surface degradation that increases heating. Quality audits verify that production quality remained consistent over time. Random sampling provides statistical confidence that every breaker meets specification. Independent certification requires periodic factory inspections and witness testing. Certification marks on the breaker prove compliance verified by an independent authority. Certification marks represent thousands of hours of testing and millions of dollars of qualification investment. They assure installers and consumers of verified safety performance. Every field return is analyzed. Understanding how breakers perform in real-world conditions drives continuous improvement in design and manufacturing quality. Consumer packaging protects the breaker during distribution and provides the product identification, wiring diagram, and specification data needed for proper installation. Package labeling provides the essential installation information that electricians need: current rating, voltage class, number of poles, and interrupting capacity.
Case packing verifies exact count. Missing breakers from a shipping case would cause installer delays and customer complaints.
Pre-assembled distribution panels save installation time. Each panel contains a specific configuration of breakers matched to the building's electrical design. Correct installation is essential for safety. The instruction sheet provides the wiring diagram and torque specifications that ensure reliable field connections.
International distribution requires compliance with regional marking requirements, import regulations, and electrical safety certifications for each destination country.
Counterfeit circuit breakers are a serious safety hazard. Authentication features help distributors and installers verify they are installing genuine certified products. Molded case circuit breakers protect industrial and commercial electrical systems. These larger 100 breakers handle electronic trip units replace the traditional bimetallic element with microprocessor-controlled protection. They provide adjustable settings and fault diagnostic data. Air circuit breakers are the largest and most powerful low-voltage breakers. Their draw-out design allows safe removal for maintenance while the switchgear remains energized. GFCI breakers detect leakage currents as small as 5 milliamps flowing to ground through a person, tripping in less than 30 milliseconds, fast enough to prevent electric jumps. The differential current transformer is the GFCI heart. It detects the difference between current flowing out and current returns. AFCI breakers use waveform analysis to distinguish dangerous arcing faults from normal arcing events like motor. Motor protection breakers must allow the high starting current of electric motors to flow without tripping, while still providing fast protection against actual short circuits. DC circuit breakers face unique challenges. Direct current arcs are much harder to extinguish than AC arcs. Smart breakers add digital intelligence to circuit protection. Remote monitoring detects overloads and energy waste, while smartphone apps enable remote control. Accessories transform a basic circuit breaker into a sophisticated protection and control device with remote trip, status indication, and motor-operated switching capability. The distribution warehouse holds millions of breakers, covering every type and rating. Electrical distributors expect Electrical distributors order hundreds of different breaker types. Pick accuracy is critical because an incorrect breaker could leave a circuit unprotected. Automatic reorder systems ensure popular breaker types are always in stock. Out-of-stock conditions would leave electricians unable to complete installations. Emergency orders receive priority handling. A failed circuit breaker in a critical facility requires immediate replacement to restore electrical protection. Construction season creates predictable demand peaks. Inventory planning builds stock months before the spring construction surge. The sample room displays the complete product range. Sales engineers use it to help customers select the correct breaker type and rating for their specific application. Next morning delivery keeps construction projects on schedule. Electricians depend on overnight availability of the specific breakers their installation requires. The operations center tracks production output, test pass rates, and quality metrics across all breaker types. Die maintenance ensures consistent component quality. A worn stamping die produces parts with dimensional variation that affects breaker calibration accuracy. Arc simulation models the extreme physics of circuit interruption. Temperatures exceeding 20,000 degrees, pressures exceeding 10 atmospheres, all in a few milliseconds. Calibration training takes months of supervised practice. The technician must develop the sensitivity to achieve exact trip current specification on every breaker. Certification requires thousands of pages of test reports, material data, and manufacturing quality documentation. Regulatory compliance is a continuous multi-year effort. For instance, the test department handles extreme electrical energy. Safety protocols, arc flash-rated PPE, and barrier protection. Assembly technique directly impacts breaker reliability. New workers learn from experienced colleagues how to achieve the precision that ensures every breaker functions perfectly.
The people behind every circuit breaker take personal responsibility for the safety of the millions who depend on their products for electrical protection.
We can increase capacity on the high-end series by shifting fabrication to the night cycle. That resolves the bottleneck on the 500 series.
Circuit breaker production runs multiple shifts to meet the constant global demand for electrical protection products.
Night testing applies the same rigorous standards as daytime. Every breaker produced on every shift must pass identical calibration and safety tests.
Night stamping builds the component inventory that feeds the high-volume daytime assembly lines.
Mold changes on large injection machines take hours. Scheduling changes during the night shift minimizes lost production time during peak daytime hours. Factory infrastructure operates continuously, whether production is at full capacity or overnight reduced levels. From a tiny silver contact to a guardian of electrical safety, the circuit breaker factory produces the small devices that protect millions of lives from electrical hazards. In the fraction of a second that a circuit breaker operates, it performs one of the most violent controlled events in electrical engineering. The moment of installation completes the circuit of protection. From this instant, the breaker silently watches over the electrical end. The circuit breaker is among humanity's most important safety inventions. Millions of electrical fires and electrocutions are every building, every factory, every home depends on circuit breakers for electrical safety. This factory produces the devices that stand between electricity and danger.
This facility produces enough circuit breakers annually to protect millions of electrical circuits worldwide.
From sensor to safety. The circuit breaker, small, precise, and life-saving, born from silver, steel, and
the guardian of electricity. Silver, steel, and precise engineering. Behind every safe home, every protected circuit,